Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to my channel and the chicken coop automatic door opener review. I hope you get some insight. Let's go. In our case, we had purchased the Chicken Guard Extreme door opener. It actually opens and closes, of course, the door for the chicken coop. I put a link below to purchase. I had bought mine on a chicken coop website a bunch of years ago now. They have them on Amazon, so I do have the link below for Amazon. Now, this is the first and only chicken coop door we've ever purchased. Why? Because it's been working for more than 3 years. We haven't had a need to buy another one. It's easy to install. What I really like, it has that dusk to dawn feature. So the door opens when there's enough light and it closes at the end of the day when it gets dark out. And it's priced, I think, a fair price for what you're getting. Now, the cons. The battery replacement is just, as I put here, cumbersome. It's kind of clunky. You're going to see battery replacement in the door calibration as part of this video. It's my favorite. The handling of the menu buttons also takes some getting used to. You're not going to really have to touch them that often, only really when you replace the batteries or if the string breaks. That also, every time I use it, I have to kind of go through it a couple of times to get the hang of it again. There's a string that lifts a door up and down, and the string wears out. Of course, you're in the environment. I've had to replace the string. It's not that big of a deal if you're handy, but it will wear out, and it could break, and then all of a sudden the chickens can't get out. And the door for this, it's a locking door. You'll see it in the video. I had to purchase separately, so that was kind of annoying too. It's just an added expense, but I like it. It's worked fairly well, and we've used this for the 3 years plus. So I'm going to show you the battery replacement here. I think you need to see what it is before you purchase it. You could use external power source, but our chicken coop is back in corner of our yard, so it wasn't really going to be anything other than batteries or possibly a solar panel. I took the 4 screws off already, the faceplate. I'm pulling it off now. There's some duct tape up there. I use that so that water doesn't get in. There was a gasket, but I lost it about a year ago. I'm just freezing this picture for a moment so you can see that there are wires that are leading from what's mounted to the chicken coop to the faceplate. The faceplate has all of the electronics for opening and closing the door, and there's also wires that lead to the battery pack. They have to get detached so that you can swap out the batteries. You also see the little motor and the string here that's used to move the door up and down. I'm detaching the wires, and now I'm struggling to pull that battery pack out. You see that I disconnected it. There are 4 batteries. They have to be replaced, I'm going to say, every couple of months. In the wintertime, you certainly need to replace them more because of the cold. Not crazy often, but you do have to keep an eye on it. I'm just going to give you briefly the door calibration and what the chicken guard locking door looks like. How the door gets calibrated so that it is moving up and down and opening enough for the chickens. There are buttons or push. Here's that chicken guard locking door that we purchased separately. Right now, I am going ahead and pressing the up button to make sure it goes past the opening, and then I hit the menu button in the middle, and there's little instructions that it shows you on the screen. I mean, it really is not hard to do. And now it's working its way back down to know how far it has to go down, and you'll see when it is down, that little stick in the middle, when that goes down, it's going ahead and locking it into the slots of the track for the door. It can't be opened then by critters, which is really good. In conclusion, would I buy this again? First of all, if you're a backyard chicken keeper like I am, having a door that opens in the morning and closes at night, I think, is essential. So that answer is definitely yes. Would I buy a chicken guard product again? I'm going to give that a yes. Yeah, I have to change the batteries every now and again, but I would with any automatic chicken door. The string, there have been times, a couple of times that it's broke. Finally, I didn't have enough string left that I had to replace the string. It wasn't hard to do. It's been reliable. It's been working over 3 years now. So yes, I would buy it again. In fact, I'm going to leave the link for exactly what I bought. And they redid it in 2023, so it's new and improved. Plus, now they have an all-in-one that has the opener and the door together, and they don't even use a string anymore. Check that out. I hope you found this useful, and good luck with your chickens.